Today I'm going to show you how to score free months of AutoCut, literally just by sharing a link. You're already using AutoCut every day. With the referral program, it can start paying you back too. It's simple. You invite a friend, they activate their free trial, and you get a €10 credit on your subscription. That's a free month on the basic plan or 50% off the AI plan, automatically applied to your next payment. Let's go! Head over to your AutoCut account into Referral Program. From there, it's super simple. Choose and type your first name or username right here, like this. Then click right here on Become a Referrer. And there you go. Here's your personalized referral link. Copy it and send it to your friends and any editors you know. Every friend who subscribes through your link automatically earns you AutoCut credits. And right here is your dashboard with all your stats updated in real time. It's that simple. Now it's on you. Share your link and let AutoCut pay you back. Good luck!